Let's go. Shout out to Pain1. You crazy for this one, man. Yeah. I tell them watch me do my thing. I've been working for too long. Got my goals, I'm going strong. She like you should put me on, but I'm just saying, man, don't try to waste my time. I be on grind mode, man, I grind hard. Can't no one stop my shine, man, I'm about that work. Man, I'm about that work. Talk about it later, homie, we go get it first. Man, I'm about that work. Man, I'm about that work. Talk about it later, homie, we go get it first. Man, I be working, I swear I ain't stopping for y'all. Call up my brothers like this is the plan, man, we taking it all. And I don't mess with these suckers, cause everyone that I meet, I ain't sure if they gon' really just keep it 100. Snake friends meet karma later, and the real ones stay chasing paper. If you don't like my shit but you listen to it, well it's obvious that you just a hater. Go ahead and keep hating, no, I ain't got no worries, cause I don't think about nothing. I just gon' get it for me. Man, I got it down, locked down to the bone. I be killing every verse, man, I gotta put me on. Midwest to the death, they ain't working, they ain't strong. And I swear that I be killing every single damn song. Man, I'm so for real, ill. Sick when I'm come through, looking like 100 bricks getting thrown at you. I'm cool, I be chilling in the moonlight. You ain't even know about me. You ain't even know that I got it. You ain't even know that I'm about to get a game. When I make it to the top, I ain't stopping. And I don't never play no games. You don't like me, then fuck it. I'm about doing my thing. They don't know shit about me. I tell them watch me do my thing. I've been working for too long. Got my goals, I'm going strong. She like you should put me on, but I'm just saying, man, don't try to waste my time. I be on grind mode, man, I grind hard. Can't no one stop my shine, man, I'm about that work. Man, I'm about that work. Talk about it later, homie, we go get it first. Man, I'm about that work. Man, I'm about that work. Talk about it later, homie, we go get it first.
Wish a nigga would diss me. I been putting in time, boy. These fuck boys keep hating. Steady trying to take my shine, boy. No joke, you ain't shit, so why you say 100? It's Midwest to the fullest, so bitch, you know we coming. Got that work, girl, I got that work. Yeah, I know you want it, so come get it for the dirt. I just wanna see you bend it over, touch your toes and twerk. Yeah, I heard that this your song because it's Dizzy on the verse.
So we'll get that first putting in that work.
Bitch, I'm murdering almost everything I get my hands on. So if I get signed off of this track, then I'ma put my whole team on. Cause if one eat, then we all eat. Bitch, you know the motto. And I ain't talking YOLO, so I hope that you can follow what I'm saying. You dumb bitch. Matter of fact, you's a dumb broad for everything that you doubted me on doing. Now I'm on top, like hold up, let me pose for the pictures. Let me make this cameo. It's David Yang and Dizzy,
I
so
tell
you
them
know
watch me do my thing. I've been working for too long. Got my goals, I'm going strong. She like you should put me on, but I'm just saying, man, don't try to waste my time. I be on grind mode, man, I grind hard. Can't no one stop my shine, man, I'm about that work. Man, I'm about that work. Talk about it later, homie, we go get it first. Man, I'm about that work. Man, I'm about that work. Talk about it later, homie, we go get it first.